Click on the subscribe button and make sure you hit the bell icon to not miss any of our brand new videos.
Hello YouTube, Pallav here, and today we're going to talk about the new Lenovo HX03F. This is one of those affordable but rich in features smartbands that directly compete with the Mi Bands and your Honor Band 3, Alcatel Move and those other ones. So this not going to compete with the smart watches like the Fitbit ones or the Apple or Samsung smartwatches, but category smart band, remember that. So this costs just over 2000 on Flipkart, might be a little less actually in some of the other online stores. We'll give a link of the Flipkart down below the description so that you can go ahead and buy it easily. Now talking about first the look, it's a very passe look, very cliche look. You won't see anything different in this smart band. Rubber finish on the strap and even actually on the body. You have a good OLED screen that's a slightly bigger screen but does not essentially show much useful information, just like two stages of information, maybe your time and the steps and those kind of thing. Does not show calendar notification and all, does not show the next meeting and such. It has a heart rate sensor on the back, which is a good thing, and then you can see the model numbers and all. Opening the strap is very easy, and just follow the instruction that's on the back of the strap. Like it says open, how to open that, just drag it along and then it will open. Now these are rubber straps and they're different colors as well, and you can interchange those rubber straps. We get the black version, which kind of goes with any attire. That's a good thing. These are rubber strap, but one good thing about that which I found was that they do not retain sweat much, so you can actually use them for a long period of time, while gymming or walking outside, basically in heat, so that whenever you sweat it does not retain the sweat much. However, if you continuously use this for many days, then it might leave with like a lighter, let's say lighter ring on your wrist. So that's one thing, because it's not breathable component. Now talking about the display, you won't see any buttons on the display, just a round circle at the bottom, and that's like the what do you call the touch point. So you just touch there and it will show you the timings and your steps and whatever information you have decided or you have suggested. Tap again to cycle through the different menu items, like for example you first tap, you show the time, and then tap again, it will show you the kind of sports that you want to track, and then again your steps, your heart rate, some of the other infos. Now if you want to stay in one particular menu, go deep into it, then go there, go to that menu, for example let's say info, and then just long press it, and then it will go deeper into that menu. To come out of it, again long press. Like every other smartband, this one also comes with the Lenovo Healthy app. You can install it on Android or iOS. Connecting to this one is very easy and seamless, and then it will quickly sync your data as well. Syncing also is very fast and seamless, of course. Now there are three main sections in the app. You can you can calculate or track your steps, and then it will track your sleep, and then it will track your heart rate. Now for heart rate and sleep, they're pretty accurate. I see sometimes it does not give the most accurate number for your walk. Sometimes like over calculates your walk, generally over calculates and not under calculate, but over a period of time, I think on an average when you take, then it won't deviate too much. One big feature that's missing on the smart band, and I doubt it is there on some of the other smart bands, is your activities. So activity wise tracking, for example a gym, if you're doing aerobics, or if you're doing cycling, if you're doing swimming, so it does not track those different activities at their level. It will simply track your steps and the distance only. So you have to go beyond 10,000, I get to Fitbit level and to Apple or Samsung's level to do those tracking. Another thing that I found, which is not exactly missing, but it's a hit or miss, is whenever you turn your wrist to look at the watch, it does not always switch on. So the gyroscope is not very sensitive to your wrist movement. Apart from these two, I think this guy is great, and at just over 2000, I think it's a great buy, the Lenovo HX03F. I definitely found it more accurate than the Mi Band and the Honor Band 3, which in itself is really good thing because those two bands are very popular at this price range. If you like this video, please hit the like button, ask anything related to this one, and we'll try to answer them all. And please subscribe to our channel and share this video to share the love. You can click on this icon in the middle to subscribe to our channel. Do so. Thank you.